Hello everyone and welcome to our 5th STEAM Sunday session. Today we're going to be using a fantastic resource from the Royal Society of Chemistry. I learned about this experiment when I did a session with Dr. Stephen Hendry at the STEM Glasgow Teachers Residential at Bleifadach. In this experiment we're going to make our own pH indicator to test whether something is acidic, neutral or alkaline. And a pH indicator is really cool because it changes colour when it touches a substance that's either acidic or alkaline or somewhere in between. These are the approximate colours of the red cabbage indicator solution at different pH. So let's head back in time to yesterday when I made my own red cabbage indicator and let's see how to do it. To make your indicator you'll need a red cabbage, some hot water and you'll need a knife. First thing you want to do is chop your red cabbage in half. Next you want to chop up your half red cabbage and take all of the pieces and put them into a saucepan. Next you want to take your hot water and cover the leaves as best as you can. If you have a lid, cover your pot. If you don't have one, it's okay though. You're going to let it cook for 10 minutes. Now you want to bring it to a boil and then just simmer, so turn down the heat and just let it stew for 10 minutes. After it's simmered for 10 minutes, take it off the heat and leave it to stand for about 2 or 3 hours with the lid on. If you don't have a lid, pop on a plate or something like that just to keep it covered to try and keep all of the juices in and not let them evaporate too much. After you've left it for 2 hours, you want to strain out the liquid into a tub or a jar that has a lid that you can seal and put into the fridge. And after you've done that, you'll be left with a beautiful purple liquid like this, almost the colour of undiluted Ribena. Now this can stay in the fridge for up to a week, so make sure you use it within the week. But that's good anyway because our next Steam Sunday video will be next Sunday, so use it before then. You'll see I've got a whole load of things in front of me, and the first 3 things I want to point out are these glasses. In this glass here is a cider vinegar, this one's water, and this one is baking soda mixed in with water. And I want to show you the effect that the red cabbage indicator has, and it's easiest to do it quickly in liquid. So have a look, first of all, in the water, our control. You'll see that the purple does not change colour. This time in the vinegar. It's an acid, so it becomes pink. And in the baking soda water, it becomes blue. So next I have 6 mystery white powders. The powders that I'm using are self-raising flour, coconut flour, sugar, baking powder, bicarbonate of soda, and sea salt. When looking at a powder, it's always good to try and ascertain what it is before you test its acidity. Okay, so this one turns a kind of turquoise blue colour. So that's an alkaline. Oh, this one's weird. The water kind of runs off it. It almost globulates. There are absolutely loads of resources that you can use with this experiment, and this one is colour by pH. A beautiful bit of artwork, all done through science. I really hope that you've enjoyed today's STEAM Sunday session, and I look forward to seeing you next week. As always, if you do take part, please tag at Mr. Feist Class using hashtag STEAMSunday, and this week if you could also tag the Royal Society of Chemistry and or Dr. Stephen Hendry, that would be fantastic. Take care and stay safe. See you next week.